Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify network security configuration on Android for production HTTPS step by step clearly. Ensure your Android device is connected to a secure network. Open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and select Network and Internet. Tap on Wi-Fi to view the available networks. Connect to your production network if not already connected. Return to the Network and Internet menu. Select Advanced to access more settings. Tap on Private DNS. Check if the private DNS is set to a secure provider. If it's not set, change it to a well-known DNS provider that supports DNS over TLS. Go back to the main settings menu and open Security. Scroll down to find Encryption and Credentials. Ensure that your device is set to use secure encryption methods. Next, navigate back to the Settings menu and select Apps. Find the application you want to verify. Tap on the app and select Permissions. Ensure that the app has only the necessary permissions for functionality. Now, open the app you wish to test for HTTPS configuration. Initiate a network request within the app to establish a connection. Use a network monitoring tool like Charles Proxy or Wireshark to capture traffic. Set up the proxy tool on your development machine. Configure your Android device to use the proxy. Ensure that the traffic is being logged by the monitoring tool. Look for the HTTPS requests in the captured data. Check if the requests are being encrypted properly. Verify the certificate details for the requests. Confirm that the certificate is valid and issued by a trusted authority. Make sure there are no mixed content warnings in the app's traffic. Review the app's behavior when accessing secure endpoints. Document any issues or discrepancies in the configuration. Make the necessary adjustments based on your findings. Repeat the verification process to ensure all configurations are secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.